is a budget headphone review. Now you can pick these up from Amazon for £35 or $35, I believe. This is a wireless Bluetooth over the ear headphones, which has 3 EQ modes and also has a mic included for phone calls. So these, you can use them for phone calls apparently, and for great music, which is what they're made for. For me, this headphone at this price can be a great gift for kids, great present for kids to use. If you don't want to get them something too expensive, this can be a great headphone for them to use for music and their games, Fortnite or Nintendo Switch. As long as the sound is reasonable and doesn't damage them too much. From the specs I've read on these headphones, it doesn't seem like it's going to be damaging to the ears anyway, but I'm yet to test them out. But this is just the unboxing. I will do a full review after this, and in that review I will be comparing these headphones to more expensive headphones like the Jabra Elite 75Ts and these Audio-Technica headphones that I've had for the past 2 years, which pretty expensive compared to these as well. So basically, welcome to this unboxing video, and let's see what these headphones are gonna look like, and I can't wait to hear what they sound like, most importantly. So the DOQAUS Care 1 wireless headphones comes with this brilliant box. It looks pretty good, to be honest with you. So let's see what's inside. Okay, so interesting. Flip it over. Ooh, interesting. So guys, this is what you get in the box. You get this warranty card, 18 months extended warranty. I guess could be useful. Put that aside. Let's check out these headphones. So in this bag we have these headphones in here. We've got this plastic sort of thing. Not sure about these. Put that aside. Okay, so in this nice pouch sort of thing. Put that aside for a second. As you can see, I think we have a USB, I believe, a USB sort of a charging port. So when you don't have, when let's say the battery runs out for Bluetooth, you can use these. You can use these headphones for music if it runs out of, when the battery runs out, which is brilliant, I think. So nice red and black. Kind of looks like the Beats a little bit, but pretty good. I like this. It's pretty nice. Okay, and you've got a charging. This is a regular micro USB, of course. Charging, interesting. Still using micro USB, but yeah, nevertheless, this is what you get. And you get this, of course, manual for these headphones, how to connect it and such. Pretty cool. So okay, so let's see what these headphones look like. Okay. Well, I don't know what all this rubber stuff. Right, let's see. Okay. Nice. Ooh, brilliant. Looks amazing. That does look good, I have to say. Wireless, brilliant. I like them. I like the look of these. I can't wait to test them out. Now this wireless Bluetooth headphones, they also have Bluetooth 5.0, which is up to date, the latest sort of up to date Bluetooth connection, as well as 1000 mega amp hours, which is brilliant, which means it will last longer than a lot of headphones around its price. This also allows it to have about, I think it's got 52 hours playback time, which is a ridiculous amount, you know, of playback time without charging. That's really good. That's probably about 3 days. So these are really good headphones from the specs anyway. In terms of sound, I don't know yet. I'm gonna try them and test them against the Jabras and also the Audio Technicas and see you know, how they match up. So it's gonna be interesting. Alright guys, please subscribe and stay tuned for the next video, which will come out soon, probably today as well, regarding the comparison between these and the other headphones I mentioned earlier. Please subscribe for more, click the like button, comment if you need any information regarding these, you know, if you want to know if, you know, they're good headphones to buy or not, you know, let me know. If you have them, let me know what you think of them as well. Please subscribe guys. Cheers, it's OP Rob, I'm out.